हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम भक्ति शाह है। मैं एक योगा थेरेपिस्ट हूँ और योगा क्लासेस भी चला रही हूँ। अभी जो भी हम लोग महसूस कर रहे हैं ड्यूरिंग द डे, जो भी एंग्जाइटी हमारे मन में दिमाग में आ रही है, जो भी फियर आ रहे हैं, तो उसमें से बाहर निकलने के लिए, उसमें से थोड़ा रिलैक्स होने के लिए आई थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो अ वेरी इजी वीडियो and everybody can practice this anytime during the day when you are feeling anxious, when there is fear inside you, or even in the evening when you are free, you can practice this. Okay, so first this 5 step I'm going to show it separately one by one. Okay, so you know what are the 5 steps and very easy, बहुत ही easy है. Then at the end we do all 5 steps together. Okay, you can sit anywhere, you can sit in your sofa, you can sit in your chair, you can sit on your bed, just making sure that your spinal area एकदम सीधी है और shoulders एकदम relax है, neck भी एकदम relax है. Okay, I'll crisscross my leg. It is okay if you cannot crisscross the leg, you can just skip it down to the floor. Make sure it is touching down to the floor. Okay, step 1, just observing your breathing. Close your eyes and observe your breath. Gently open your eyes. Step 2, observing the breath by placing your right hand to left side, a bit left side towards the left, your heart. Your left hand towards the diaphragm muscle, gently, like as if you are giving hug to yourself. Okay, and now you do the same breathing without making any changes, or normal breathing. Feel a gentle rise and a fall. जो सांस ले रहे, ब्रीदिंग कर रहे, उसको महसूस करिए. Step 3. Right now we are not doing like any particular count or anything. I'm just showing you the step. Okay. Step 3 is now after observing and remaining in the same breathing, we are going to do the count breathing. So now we are giving a change to our breath. We are directing our breath. Okay. You can start with 3 to 5 counts first, and then you can increase the count अकॉर्डिंग टू द कैपेसिटी. आपकी जो कैपेसिटी है उस हिसाब से आप काउंट को इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू ओनली 3 काउंट ब्रीदिंग. ओके, 3 काउंट ऑफ इनहेलेशन, 3 काउंट ऑफ एक्सहेलेशन. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. 3 count. Relax. You can go for deeper inhalation and deeper exhalation with practice. Okay. Step 4 is going to be a Brahmi pranayam. Okay. So you're pressing the thumb on the ears, first finger on the forehead, 3 fingers resting on the eyes. You will inhale through your nose. You will exhale through your throat, making a humming sound. Without opening your mouth, you just press the throat and just make this nice good sound for the exhalation. Remove your hand and gently open your eyes. Step 5, we go for the chanting. You can chant any mantra which you know, or you can just go for the simple Omkara, the Prana mantra. Press both hands in Namaskar. Make sure your spine is straight, your head is relaxed. Okay, so now you are clear with all these 5 steps. You need to practice in continuation all the 5 steps. With practice, step 3 and 4, you can increase the time as much as you can, as much as you have. That is the count breathing and Brahmi. Okay, so those are the most relaxative and most calming thing for your lungs, for your heart, for your neurological system, for your brain cells, and for your thought process. It will calm down your heart as well as your thought process. So I'll go all 5 together without any break. And that is how you need to practice. आपको उसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करनी है, ब्रेक लिए बिना 5 को साथ में करना है. Okay? First, I am observing my breath. Here I am not making any change in my breathing pattern. Second, I am resting my hand on my lungs, on my heart, on my abdominal area, near my diaphragmatic muscle. Again, without making any change, I am just observing my breathing. पूरा ध्यान ब्रीदिंग पे है मेरा. Third, I am going to do the count breathing. In count breathing, make sure each time when you are inhaling, your abdominal muscles, your diaphragm is lifting out. When you are exhaling, it is going in. Fourth, I am going to go for Brahmi. fifth, I'm going to go for the pranam mantra Om. मैं इसी तरह बैठ के मन को शांत रख सकती हूँ थोड़ी देर तक। और जब भी मुझे बाहर आना है, I do the calming. I rest my hand on my eyes and gently open my eyes. धीरे से आँखों को खोलना है. Pass the energy to the senses, especially to the throat area. I'm definitely sure that you will feel relaxed after this practice. Stay home, stay safe, and hope you all are doing well. Thank you.